How to use download cycle with the LG ThinQ app. For those of you using LG electronic products with a download cycle feature, such as dryers, washers, dishwashers, and stylers, download and enjoy a variety of cycles on the ThinQ app. You can download new and specialized cycles on the app that are not included in the standard cycles on the appliance. In order to wash the dishes late at night, or use fluffy tumble-dried towels even during the rainy season, download and use the cycles you want whenever necessary. Before using the download cycle feature, make sure this is available on your model and that the wireless router is powered on. And check if the ThinQ app is installed on your smartphone. If everything is all set, let's take a look at the download cycle feature. Open the ThinQ app on your smartphone and select a product on the home screen on which you want to store the downloaded cycle. Touch the top right More button and select the Download Cycle option. Select the cycle you want in the menu and touch the Download button. Once the downloading process is finished, you can find the newly downloaded cycle on the screen and freely use it on the ThinQ app or the product itself.